Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates on your favorite shows and celebrities. Today, we are going to talk about Luke Grimes, who plays Case Denton on the hit series Yellowstone, and his shocking departure from the show. If you are a fan of Yellowstone, you know that Case Denton is one of the main characters of the show and the son of John Denton, the owner of the Yellowstone Denton Ranch. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. Former Navy SEAL who struggles to balance his loyalty to his family and his love for his wife Monica and their son Tate. Case is also the Livestock Commissioner of Montana, a powerful position that puts him in conflict with various enemies who want to take over the ranch. But in the 5th season of Yellowstone, Case makes a surprising decision that changes everything. In the 3rd episode of the season, Case quits his job as the Livestock Commissioner after his wife Monica loses their second son John in a car accident. Case decides to prioritize his immediate family over his professional obligations and be there for Monica as she deals with the trauma of losing their child. This decision has huge implications for Case's future and the fate of the ranch, as he leaves behind a political vacuum that could be filled by someone who is not loyal to the Duttons. It also raises questions about Luke Grimes' commitment to the show and whether he is leaving Yellowstone for good. So, is Luke Grimes really leaving Yellowstone? Well, according to the actor himself, the answer is no. In an interview with Screen Rant, Grimes said that he is not planning to exit the show anytime soon and that he loves playing Case. He also said that he enjoys working with his co-stars and that he is excited about what's coming next for his character. Grimes also revealed that he wrote and performed a song called No Horse to Ride that was featured in the mid-season finale of Yellowstone Season 5. He shared this news on his Instagram account and thanked his fans for watching and supporting him. However, Grimes also admitted that he does not know how Yellowstone is going to end and that only some of the cast members know the final outcome. He said this during an appearance on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, where he also talked about his experience of working on the show and living in Montana. So it seems that Luke Grimes is not leaving Yellowstone anytime soon and that we can expect to see more of him as Case Denton in the second half of Season 5, which will premiere in summer 2023. Until then, we can only speculate about what will happen to Case and his family as they face new challenges and threats. What do you think of Luke Grimes' decision to quit as the Livestock Commissioner? Do you think it was a good move or a bad one? And what do you think will happen to him and Monica in the upcoming episodes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.